Welcome back. In your morning medical news, May is Brain Cancer Awareness Month, a cause that hits close to home for one Westby family. Scott Hall faced a grim diagnosis last November. Grade 4 glioblastoma, one of the most aggressive brain cancers. Severe migraines and speech difficulties led him to the emergency room. His son's push for a second opinion at UW Health Carbone Cancer Center connected him with neurosurgeon Mustafa Baskaya, who saw surgical possibilities others missed.
So a complete turnaround in, the treatment prognosis. So we went to Madison. He was admitted on the 17th of November, and on the 20th of November, he had a complete total tumor resection.
After surgery, Scott completed 6 weeks of radiation and home chemo. Now the Halls say life is returning to normal with plans for summer baseball and family time. We certainly hope he enjoys that. And the first at-home device that can detect cervical cancer has been approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Experts hope it'll encourage more women to be screened. Mandy Gaither has a look at the device and explains how it works.
It's called the Teal Wand, the first at-home cervical cancer screening device that allows a patient to collect their own sample and send it off to a lab to test for human papillomavirus, which causes most of this type of cancer. It's an alternative to the traditional test, a pap smear done by a doctor.
We need to find better ways to screen patients. What we're doing just really isn't working well enough.
The American Cancer Society applauds the new FDA approval of this device, hoping that it'll encourage more women to be regularly tested. It's estimated that about 1 in 4 adults are not up to date on cervical cancer screening recommendations, according to 2021 data. Here's what to know about the kit. It'll require a prescription. After that, you can request the kit at the Teal Health website. The results are reviewed by a clinician and shared back. If they're positive, you will be referred for a follow-up. The company plans to begin shipping the kits in June. Teal Health is in talks with health insurance companies about having the kit covered. But for those without insurance, the company says the cost will be announced within the next month.
You can do home mortgages, buy a car, do all complicated financial transactions. But I think we need to think about ways to do medical care, medical treatment, medical evaluations in the same way as we think about so many things today in our current life. And this is a great first step.
Teal Health says data from its clinical trials found the self-collection device has the same accuracy for cervical cancer screenings as when a healthcare provider collects a sample.